So hi, today we are going to make a racing game. So let's delete this clone and right. Then search a sprite info wait a second, convertible. This sprite we will take, and one more. I think it is here. Okay. So we took this to cars. Now we have to give them a code. First we will drag out this one flat place. Forever if key up, down. For that, when we will press the up and down arrow keys, that then they have to change X by, let's say 4, and this key down arrow is pressed, let's say -4. Then we will duplicate this board, give here, then we will right and then left, remove these and drag out turn 15 degrees. Then we will change it by 4 and -4. So let's just up going, down going, right, left. Now it's okay. Now we have seen that when we are changing X, it is not going in the direction of car. So to fix that, we have to remove these both and add move 10 steps to it. So 4 and -4. Now let's see. And yeah, it's working. Now just drag this code in here. I have dragged it. Now change it to W, this to S, then right to D, D, and left to A. Now let's see, W, A, S, D. Now done. Now we have to go on backdrops. We can make a backdrop using bitmap. Yeah, bitmap. Select this, select the brush and set size, I think, yeah. No. Let's convert it to this 700. I have the roads are in black in color, but for now let's do this. I've made any kind of map and I am gonna color it in black. Okay, and now we are gonna set these size to 50. Yeah, pointing direction 90, pointing direction 90. So 25. and these two 25. 20. Now let's drag it. It should be a bit bigger. Now 40, 35, yes, 35. Both are of same height. So let's drag in a code, set size to 25%. Set size to 35%. Now we have made the map. Now let's make a line where the map should be ended. Okay, I think the map should be ended. Yeah. And if you don't want any cheating, that if we press direct down arrow key or S key, then it should go in red. So for avoiding that, we will erase a line. No. 10. Yes. And done. Now erase the line so that no one can cheat. Now let's again go to code. Again we will drag a if sensing touching color white, then go to your position where you are now and point in direction 180. Then and again if touching color red. Okay, I will make that color. I don't know. Is that right? Okay, go to this much. No. Then broadcast message red make. Now duplicate both the codes in here and just don't forget to change these. It is -176 and y86 right. And again we will duplicate this thing and go here. Let us see. And let's see, is it working or not? Okay, it's working. And if we go behind them, yes, let's see. And if you want to reduce the speed, you can. Okay. Now, so here I accidentally put the red. Sorry. Green red, okay. Then so when click this, switch backdrop to backdrop number 1. When I receive green means when I receive red means then backdrop, duplicate, will paint sprite. Okay. So what we will write that in white color, yes, in white color we will write in pixel. So we will write yeah, pearl, but I will write again purple sky wings. Control C, sorry. Okay, now I will just increase the size. Now Control C, Control V. Then as we know that the gap between two letters is 5 by 5 pixels. So we will press arrow key up arrow key 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left arrow key 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now set fill to none, and then set the outline to black, and make the width to 6 and send it backwards. And as you know, you can see this thing happen. Now if you want to make it more bigger, you can click here, group, and then you can do like this, place it in here, and then now same with the green car text, white, we will write green, CARWINS. Okay, done. Control C, Control V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now set the string on, and sorry, yeah, see, that was green car, but yeah, group and then now when I receive green car wings, switch backdrop to backdrop number 3, and when I receive switch backdrop to red wings, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Now and then stop us. And if you want, you can restart also. If you want, I will show you its code. If key R is pressed, where is R? Yes, R is pressed, then broadcast start, yeah, and then duplicate this code here, and yes, and you have to switch the when green flash is clicked by when I receive restart. Okay, I can clean up. Yeah, restart. And in backdrop you have to broadcast restart, and done. Now let's see. Let me decrease the speed. 2 -2. Okay, I've made an bug. This should be like this, yeah. Okay, I'm playing as fast as I can. And yeah, and when we press R, oh yeah, I forgot to put in forever loop. In forever, and then stop this script. So you have to go in control, stop all, drag stop all, and just click on the drop down arrow and press the script, duplicate, and yeah, press restart. When I receive yes, then let I do again. You can see this part, or else you can just go ahead to see what happens. And yes, it is working. It's working. So just I will do all the changes what I done there to -2, and then what I have done here, nothing else. Backdrop, you can write in as if you want, but I will also write easy. Press R to restart and bit bigger. I will first get it in middle and then I will just take it down. Same with this. Press R to restart, and again I will drag it there, and yeah, done. Now the game is completed, and this is for this tutorial. Peace.